Ahoy mateys, tubed into Pirates in Teepees. And today we are going to fly a repurposed DJI battery from an Air 2, no, a Phantom 2 Pro, I believe it was. The battery would not charge. The charge controller had gone into a shutdown mode, so my buddy let me have the battery and said I could do whatever I want with it, so I converted it to be a universal battery with an XT60 connector on it. If you want to see the full video on how I built this battery, check out the link right up here, or maybe it's over here. Yeah, it's one of those places. And then let's see if this thing flies.